Right then, good morning, all of you. Today in science class, we are going to do the last long question of the chapter Sun, Moon, and the Earth. The question says give the difference between hypocenter and epicenter. Yes? So, how you have to write the answer? Be ready to write the answer. I hope you have copied the question. All of you have copied the last question. Is there any child who has not copied yet? Vansh, have you copied last question? You have joined just now. Vansh, have you copied last long question? Okay, beta. Then, okay, write the answer, all of you. First heading, hypocenter, and put a dash. Write first heading, hypocenter, put a dash. Do not divide the page. We have to write in the paragraph form. Write hypocenter with black pen, put a dash. Those who have joined just now, please start writing answer number 6. Science long question. I hope you have copied the question. Answer is first heading with black pen, hypocenter, put a dash. We will write in the paragraph form. Spelling you all know. Hypocenter. Hypocenter. Now write with blue pen. The place where the earthquake starts. The place where the earthquake starts. The place where the earthquake starts. Agam, mute your mic, beta. Sakshi, you have joined just now. You know what we are doing? We are doing the last question of Sun, Moon, and the Earth. Okay, start writing. Hmm? No abusive language. The place where the earthquake starts below the surface of the earth. Below the surface of the earth. Below the surface of the earth. The place where the earthquake starts below the surface of the earth is called hypocenter. Is called hypocenter. Written? Now leave one line and put another heading with black pen. Epicenter. 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 Put a dash. The place directly. The place directly the place directly above the hypocenter. The place directly above the hypocenter on the surface of the earth. On the surface of the earth is called the place directly above the hypocenter on the surface of the earth. The place directly above the hypocenter on the surface of the earth is called epicenter. Is called epicenter. Written. Okay. I'm repeating the whole answer. Kindly check. Hypocenter, the place where the earthquake starts below the surface of the earth, is called hypocenter. Epicenter, the place directly above the hypocenter on the surface of the earth, is called epicenter. Clear? Okay. So here we have come to an end of the question answers of this chapter. I hope exercises we have already done beforehand. Yes. So now open page number 107. Check your progress. Page number 107. Check your progress. This is your today's work. You have to read the lesson. You have to read good to know given on page number 106, 107. Put a tick mark on good to know and write there read. Put a tick mark and write there read. Okay. And then put a tick mark on check your progress and write there solve in book. Solve in book. Check your progress. Put a tick mark and write there solve in book. All right. So this is your today's work. You have to read the lesson, whole lesson again. And I'm talking to boys also, especially because boys don't do their work. Only few boys do. Everybody have to read the lesson. Everybody have to read good to know. And then you have to solve. Solve means you have to write the answer of check your progress in the book only. Tomorrow again when there will be science class, I'm going to discuss check your progress. And only those children will answer whom I'm going to ask. And I can ask anybody. Okay? So, tomorrow there will be a kind of discussion on check your progress, a small questions in between the chapter. So, read the chapter and do the work properly. All right?